Ninkethinkatho na ntune mutegeri bwaga ntubakona kanya kugwatanira na uni kiri Weru tha Mugwanja mbitagwa NTINYARI kinywa tukianjiria Nteto cia Weru tha Mugwanja yendekithia kweberia gavana wa kaunti ya Meru Kawira Mwangaza ra muthia nirikinyithitwe ndene mbunge kaunti ya Meru yendekithia riri rikimethene ni MC wa Bogeta West urano wa mukanu kyo baraba kaindene mbunge UDMK kiogora gavana Kawira Mwangaza nande ari na ntuku ithano kuma ntuku yegoro kenda kuonania machokio jao ari nande karabia mwingi kana public participation erigeri kuthirwe kianjiria Jumatatu ejete kenda kari Pedro bakinenkanira maoni jao kethira gavana jo na batere witwa gitene kana atebate.
Of our proposed motion, take notice that under the provisions of Standing Order number 65, I, Honorable Dennis Kiora DMK, a duly elected member of the County Assembly of Meru representing Bogeta West and the Minority Chief Whip, propose to move a motion attached here to the County Assembly of Meru. Honorable Speaker, I beg with the support of honorable members of the County Assembly of Meru, whose names and signatures are indicated in Annex 1 Year 2, to move a motion for the impeachment of Honorable Kawira Mwangaza, the Governor of Meru County, for 1. Gross violation of the Constitution of Kenya 2010, gross violation of national and county laws, 3. Gross abuse of office, and 4. Gross misconduct. The specific grounds of the motion are organized thematically as outlined in the index below and to elaborated in the ensuing pages of this motion. The evidence in support of the motion is set out in the annexes to the motion. The affidavit presented herewith verifies the accuracy and reliability of the annexes to the motion. Preamble 5. The first charge against the governor is nepotism, illegal appointments, unlawful dismissals, and usurpation of the constitutional and statutory functions of county organs. Under this charge, we have the appointment of the husband to county offices, roadside appointment of county workers at Mau, roadside appointment of county workers at Nkubu, roadside appointment of county workers at Kianjai, contempt of court, and illegal dismissals. The second charge is incitement, bullying, vilification, and misleading campaigns against other leaders. Under this one, we have humiliation of the minority leader, vilification of the minority chief whip and other leaders, vilification of the senator of Meru County, vilification of the cabinet secretary for agriculture, vilification of the MP for Tigania East constituency, vilification of the Catholic Church and the clergy. The third charge is forceful entry into the assembly precincts and mobilization of unlawful riots against the members of the county assembly. The fourth charge is violation of public finance management laws, and the fifth charge is misconduct relating to the nomination of CECs. Preamble. Whereas Article 10 of the Constitution, Section 3 and 16 of the Leadership and Integrity Act 2012, and Sections 9, 10, and 12 of the Public Officer Ethics Act of 2003 establish, among others, the rule of law, democracy, human dignity, courtesy, respect, social justice, inclusiveness, equality, human rights, probity, professionalism, non-discrimination, protection of the marginalized, good governance, transparency, and accountability as part of the national values and principles of governance. 2. Articles 10, 73, and 75 of the Constitution require state officers at all times, whether in public or private life, to behave in a manner that, among other things, 1. Brings honor to the nation and dignity to the office that a state officer holds. 1. Ensures decisions are not influenced by nepotism, favoritism, or other improper motives. 3. Demonstrates discipline and commitment in service to the people. And 4. Avoids demeaning the office that our officer holds. Articles 10, 232, 235, and 236 of the Constitution and sections 59, 59A, 60, 62, 63, 64, and 65 of the County Governments Act 2012 provide for the values and principles of public service and establish an elaborate framework for the establishment of county public offices and the recruitment, employment, and dismissal of county public officers. Article 181 of the Constitution, section 33 of the County Governments Act and Standing Order number 65 of the Standing Orders of the Assembly provide for the impeachment of county governors for, among other things, 1, gross violation of the Constitution; 2, gross violation of any other law; 3, abuse of office; and 4, gross misconduct. 5, the governor has engaged in multiple discreditable acts that severally and collectively amount to gross violation of the Constitution; 2, gross violation of various national and county laws; 3, abuse of office; and 4, gross misconduct. The discreditable acts have exposed the office of the governor, the assembly and its leadership, and the people of Weru County to national shame, embarrassment, ridicule, and disrepute. The discreditable acts have created a toxic environment in which the governor cannot be legitimately expected or relied upon to work harmoniously with staff and the elected leaders at the national and county levels of government. And the governor's continued stay in office under the prevailing
Athuganirwa bairikire batano ni bagwatithitwe mpurwa ya Kathetina Nyanje na kuragwa ni akariba Mutwati Gembe North barabokari na muthuro jo munene akariba ba kana athuganirwa baba batano baririkana kwithirwa bagwatikanite na into bia wamba toro tugutarirwa ni Nicholas Chabari
itonete thine nene muno ruterene rwa security ni tukwangaishwa ni amba
turi aritingwe Mutwati ni yega uti security erigwe kwana
ngomori bado no jiegwa na yari akimenya ngomori jiegwa.
Mambo ya wizi katika Mutwati imekuwa kwa wingi. Vijana ambaye wengi wanatembea huko wamejihusisha na mambo ya wizi na wananchi wametulumia kwa muda mrefu.
Nima kuji mama konaneria ate o matoni ya Mutwati biashara kinyana akariba na ogwati ibakwagia okaria kumania anambe ombethe baraba ethontoreketie na kwanjiria kuijagira abara abange ontobura ntugo ya muthirukire athuganirwa abaire bagwamba kiri athuganirwa batano barabara unanga nyumba na kuija into omwanya mwanya abianduka bauragitwe ene mwingi
mwathi wandi na nkiarira cia kinya wandi enatho na wandi kinyento betwe otesha kiurete tweneo ruontoro otuko bobo akia antone ba kworo ibele bakiuna nyumba
Mutwati rugire kuri antu barere ita nyumba cia antu tuko na baurwa baurwa gwatuika inya ibakuite
walikuwa watano lakini watatu wakafaulu kutoroka, wawili wakashikwa na wananchi na kwa bahati mbaya walipikwa mpaka wakaaga dunia.
Akari ende na boiba kuromba athirikari nithinambe na kwirutanira muno kubaigira okaria igitare bakuringa biashara ciao bakaringa biashara batare na ugwati bakuijagirwa kana kinyabo kuinyangwa ani ainyangia
itokoromba thirikari erere kuo etoshugulikire roterero security kenda mu biashara ethirwa arena there na wiri ethirwa aina there ke wiri teringwe kwawe
bathu kwa nonto no bakumenywa oziaja kamama no ndoko mama wake na uko tuma bantu bapendelea kuia na kuna nyumba kwa hivyo akamama ngoenege naendelea na ngwe namba dai kwanza ni hapa baingi tidira parolia wa dai ndo dali pale.
Iko vijana ambaye amejitokeza ambaye anakaa kwa group ambaye anajiita ngomori ambaye naelewa kwa lugha ya Kimeru ni vijana ambaye wanaangamisha wananchi bila sababu. Hao vijana na waonya kwamba wawajana na hiyo maneno na wafanye ile kazi akae kama raia vile anatakana kufanya. Serikali wametoa onyo kali na ukipatikana utakamatwa, utastakiwa kulingana na mujibu wa sheria.
Kuma Mutwati Gembe North, Nicholas Chabari.
Baga sana Nicholas Chabare kire Nteto inge na ande munini wa Daktari William Ruto no Rigathi Gachagua nerete mutongeri wa ngwataniro ya Azimio Raila Odinga ati Rais William Ruto agaitaniria ngugi na atongere bonthe barabari na Weru bagwitaniria ngugi na bonkuruki no ugite mirango ya thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza ne ruguriri anto bonthe te kumakania migongo ere baumite kio.
Rais William Ruto anashauriana na hao wazungu, atashauriana na wa China na wa Russia na Waarabu na Waafrika, atashauriana na kuwa na mpango na yeyote katika duniani hii ambaye anatakia Kenya mema. Nyinyi mko na shida na hii wazungu wakitusaidia? Mko na shida? Ile mzee anakuweka shida yake ni gani? Hapa nimeingia hapa kwa hospitali, nimeona usaidizi ya UNICEF, ya World Food Program, hawa wanaita the West, ndio wanasaidia watu hapa ya Garissa. So wamemsaidia. Mbona yeye analalamika na amekaa Nairobi anakaa mzuri? Wewe mzee, wewe kaa Nairobi, wachana na sisi. Wachana na Rais William Ruto. Atafute wazungu, atafute wa China, atafute mtu yeyote katika duniani atasaidia wa Kenya. Na Rais William Ruto amepewa mamlaka na wa Kenya kutengeneza urafiki na kila mtu duniani Kenya, bora wa Kenya wasaidike. Na huyu mzee siku alipatiwa nafasi ya kushauri serikali, sisi hatutaki ushauri wake, kwa sababu ile ushauri alitoa ndio iliweka Kenya kwa shimo. Alimshauri rais aliondoka, akaweka Kenya katika deni ya 10 trillion.
Nteto inge na ande anene abitha na kiama bangi ba ugima bamwire thirikari ni bakinyite mbere ya kamiti ya Senate naru akenda gucokia bioria na byambajo ya utungata sibitari nene ya Kenyatta na kinya sibitari ne ya kaunti ya Mamalusi Nairobi bobo wejete onde kwithiritwa na makarika jama ndagitari gutejaniria ajie mwanka bagata moturo jao.
Already commenced a comprehensive inquiry of the two cases to the circumstances that are leading to the death of one Maureen Anyango and one Edward Otieno, which is being carried out. And a detailed report, Madam Chair and honorable members, will be submitted to this committee within 30 days. We've already commenced from 15. All health professionals who are deployed in accident and emergency have these kind of skills. And we want all hospitals which have accident and emergency to have people trained on basic life support and advanced cardiac life support and trauma, which are very, very critical. And honorable members, we would want them to do this within the next 4 months, and we'll be able to go to Mamalusi and inspect. In fact, the hospital is relatively well equipped, but the hospital is yet to operationalize its ICU, which is projected to have a capacity of 8 beds. And 8 beds, honorable members, are many. If it is operationalized, it will be able to provide the much needed intensive care services in that area. But in addition, the hospital doesn't have enough inpatient beds. It is not uncommon, honorable members, to find actually patients who are sharing beds. In terms of infrastructure, the hospital was built in a way that hampers smooth and logical flow of patients. In fact, patients move across everywhere, right? The Mamalusi Kibaki Hospital does not have adequate infrastructure. We realize there is inadequate triaging. There is only a spot, which is for triaging. The inadequate space for outpatient consultation, but it also have limited accident and emergency and lack of ICU and general patient flow.
How much can we upgrade our hospitals? Health is devolved now, but then what are we getting at? You understand, it's unfortunate that only a beggar or only a small person, even my own person, my own family member, I would not want them to go to Kenyatta Hospital or Mamalusi Hospital. Why on earth should we have these hospitals? And we are here sitting saying that, your hospital, yes, Mama Lucy, we have this and that. And ask ourselves, we cannot get to that hospital. Surely, where are we heading? What can we do to upgrade our hospitals to that level 6 hospital?
Kathoche mwanya kirigwo mutegeri tanambira kurumira Weru thaa mugwanja ncokerete nyume kagita ate kuraja na Nteto nkurukio kia bebia mutambo.